Welcome. We want to thank you for joining us today to talk a little bit about golf and the LPA analytics and AI roadmap. I recently picked my golf game back up and very quickly remembered the simple but critical things I need to do when golfing. If I keep my head down, eye on the ball, and let the club do the work, I usually have a decent game. It's amazing how easy it is to draw parallels between golf and running your business. If you have trust in your data, keep your eye on defined KPIs, and allow the capable people you've hired to perform, you will most likely be successful in reaching strategic goals. While it is true that every company has unique challenges, there are also a great deal of similarities and challenges faced by most companies, no matter the industry or country. Whether your goal is to increase profit, expand market share, retain employees, reduce churn, or simply want to fine-tune some aspect of your organization, you need reliable and timely information. You need insights derived from analysis of your data, which will provide useful information to run your business. Maybe you need to extend those insights or transform your business by leveraging artificial intelligence. AI is often paired with transformation on the analytics maturity curve. Ultimately, data and analytics are at the core of every answer to every question you ask. Your level of success, in many ways, can be affected by how well your organization streamlines and refines raw data into consumable information, leading to strategic and actionable insights. Most of us have been to executive roundtable sessions and heard a famous quote attributed to Peter Drucker about business management. Paraphrased, it's simply, if you can't or don't measure it, you certainly don't know if you have improved. We measure our golf game by keeping score, and like our little birdie friend in golf, we all want par or under par scores. When it comes to running your business, you also want to score well and circle that birdie on your scorecard. To improve your golf game, you first need to understand how you would score in a typical game. You need to measure your game. Are you a scratch golfer who typically scores in the low 70s? Or are you a duffer who would be thrilled to break 100? Either way, you must measure your game. Likewise in business, to really know how well you're doing, you must measure your business. How well would your organization score? Are you measuring the right things? Do you trust your data? Are you missing insights? Do your measurements provide insights into whether you will achieve strategic goals and objectives? If you were to measure your company right now, would you be comfortable with your score? Would you be able to circle that birdie on your scorecard? Everyone loses golf balls, whether it's a casual game with friends on Saturday morning or a charity tournament with coworkers. Lost golf balls can be very frustrating. Losing visibility of a golf ball is similar to losing visibility of critical insights. When your ball gets lost in tall grass, you have to drop a ball and take a stroke. When critical insights are missed, the stakes can be much higher. That critical insight may have been an opportunity to grow your business, introduce a new product, or possibly a prime opportunity to purchase another business. Whether the lost insight is due to a lack of information or poor visualization of your data, lost insights, like lost golf balls, are simply something that your business cannot afford. When you decide to improve your golf game, it is sometimes difficult to know where to start. Perhaps you have a nasty slice, 3-putt every hole, or seem to find every hazard on the course. When it comes to data and analytics within your organization, the challenges are very similar. How do you know where to start? Perhaps you are overwhelmed with data, or need better data supporting your KPIs. Perhaps you need better context and benchmarks to ensure your KPIs are on track. Perhaps you're concerned that the next great insight lies in untapped data, which your company has been collecting, and need help to develop and take advantage of the data. Perhaps you need to incorporate AI technology to elevate your analytic process to the next level. Perhaps you're just starting your analytic journey and need help defining and building your analytics ecosystem. When you want to improve your golf game, you rely on the golf pro. When dealing with data and analytics, rely on LPA to be your pro and let our years of experience help you improve your game. What is the LPA Analytics and AI Roadmap? We invited you to join us today to talk about golf and our Analytics and AI Roadmap. We've talked about measuring your game and your business, losing golf balls and business insights, and then we talked about using a pro to guide us through our improvement process. So let's talk about how our Analytics and AI Roadmap fits into our discussion. A roadmap can be generally defined as a plan or strategy intended to achieve a particular goal. Similarly, our roadmap is a strategy to transform your current analytic ecosystem into the vision of your future analytic ecosystem. Our Analytics and AI Roadmap is a guidebook of your analytic journey. Like any ecosystem, this analytic ecosystem has critical components that must all work together. Data creates the foundation. Useful information is derived from raw data using analytics, which then lead to actionable insights. Many variables influence this analytic ecosystem. The way in which you refine raw data, your process of data aggregation or extraction, the level and depth of your analytic process, including the use of AI, the proficiency of your reporting, and the accuracy of your measuring mechanisms, just to name a few. So the LPA Analytics and AI Roadmap is a plan for your analytic journey, the development of your analytic ecosystem. Every roadmap is unique and will illustrate the current state of your analytic ecosystem and will provide solid, tangible guidance to provide you with a map leading you to an improved analytic ecosystem. Let's talk about the process we will use to achieve a successful LPA Analytics and AI Roadmap for your company. Using tools such as stakeholder mapping, need statements, as-is and to-be mapping, and empathy mapping, LPA consultants work with diverse customer teams in a workshop setting to define the future state of your analytic ecosystem. We will evaluate your current analytic ecosystem. We will study your entire data and analytic process and provide recommendations for improvement to your ecosystem. Our approach will be one similar to that of the innovations of design thinking. It's important to note here that LPA will not build or recommend processes within your roadmap which require only our expertise to maintain. LPA will provide the training and infrastructure to any improvement or process within the roadmap so that you can run consistently without us. We are here to guide you into improvement which is sustainable within your company by your skilled employees. What will an engagement with LPA look like? LPA will meet with key executives from your company and define a scope of work. This scope of work will detail the process or processes within your analytic ecosystem, which we agree need our review and expertise. Similar to that golf pro meeting where you will gain insights about how to improve your game, an engagement with LPA will provide insights to improvements within your analytic ecosystem. We anticipate most companies would need 2 to 3 days of our time to provide a comprehensive review of your entire analytic ecosystem. We will conclude the engagement with a written document detailing our recommendations for the next best steps in developing and maintaining an improved, sustainable analytic ecosystem for your company. LPA stands for Leveraging the Power of Analytics, which speaks volumes about who we are and what we do at LPA. Our core purpose is to experience the satisfaction of helping customers achieve their goals through better decision-making. To make this happen, every member of our team focuses on embodying our 4 core values: excellence, integrity, accountability, and collaboration. Excellence. We believe our customers and business partners deserve our utmost dedication to their success. This excellence is manifested in our attitude, our work, our deliverables, and our ongoing support. Integrity. We operate with the highest ethical standards, demonstrating honesty and fairness in every action that we take for our clients, our company, and our community. Accountability. We accept our individual and team responsibilities and we meet our commitments. We take responsibility for our performance in all of our decisions and actions. Collaboration. We promote and support a diverse yet unified corporate community. We work together to meet our common goals based on principles of hard work, continuous improvement, and productivity. In conclusion, whether your LPA, analytic, and AI roadmap includes improvement in raw data refinement, the addition of more consumable information, data which better supports your KPIs, or the incorporation of AI, we believe our many years of data and analytic experience will prove to be invaluable to your organization as we review your analytic ecosystem and provide a roadmap to improvement. We know your days are very busy, so we want to take a minute to thank you for taking time to listen to our message. We really appreciate your time. We hope that you get out soon for a game of golf or other relaxing activity that you enjoy. We look forward to working with you and developing your successful LPA, analytic, and AI roadmap.